Howdy folks, welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living this week. Well, it's Christmas, so Merry Christmas. I know I've been busy in my kitchen a good part of the week making Christmas candies and treats so I can give them away as a little token of a Christmas present. So, it came to my attention, one of my subscribers wants to know what to do for a quick, easy meal after a long, hard day. Well, I have the solution right here. That's just a little joke. Seriously though, I did get a little hungry this week and I decided to make myself a steak. And to find out, apparently I've been doing steak the wrong way. Normally I just put the steak in there and I cook it till it's done. But there is a process called pan searing. So, I'm going to show you how I pan seared my steak this week. Come follow me along in this video. My God, what did you eat? Okay, let's get started. First we have the steak. We're going to pat that down nice and dry. That'll make the searing process better. Now we're going to season it with some sea salt and some pepper on both sides. And we're going to set this aside. Time to get the pan ready. Put a little oil in the pan. Get the heat on to high so we can start to heat up the pan in the oil. Add a little more oil. I'm going to shake that around. You can see the consistency of the oil changes as it heats up. And we're about ready now. Time to add the steak. Look at that sizzling. Make sure you put the steak down and face it away from you so you don't splatter yourself. I leave it down for about 2 minutes on each side. 2 minutes is up. Let's flip it over. See how that looks nice and seared and brown? It's looking good already. I can taste it. Now we're going to add some butter on here to flavor it up and moisten that steak for you. Time to flip it over. It's been 2 minutes. We're going to give it about another minute and a half on each side. And we're going to add the butter into it to continue basting it in the butter. When we're done, this should be a medium, well done steak. That's how I like my steak. It'll be a total of 3.5 minutes on each side. Finish it up with a tab of butter. Let it baste in that butter. Oh yeah. I'm telling you, this is a steak that's worth waiting for. Look at that. Perfect. Can't wait to taste it. Now that's a good steak, let me tell you. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, it's tough to find something to eat. Best way to do that is cook it yourself. Homestead Kitchen Living. Making cooking fun again. Don't forget, if you liked it, click the like button. Subscribe. Share it with a friend. Don't forget to remember to thank our Creator. My prayer is that Jesus would keep you safe until we meet again. Thanks again.